Hello everyone. For this image, I chose to crop it instead of turning it into a thumbnail image by scaling it. The reason for this is because in the original photo, there seemed to be a lot of empty background space, and I felt that if I were to scale it to 50 pixels wide, you wouldn't be able to clearly see that there's chocolates in the middle of the picture, while cropping it allowed it to actually emphasize the details of the chocolates. For example, the ganache that you see on the left chocolate, and it even made it a lot more easier to distinguish the blurred chocolate in the background from the board that it's sitting on. I also like how you can clearly see the difference in the textures of the chocolate, from the drizzle to the sprinkles. So that is why I decided to crop the image.